Hi guys, introduce. My name is Muhammad Melal Khairi. In this video, I will explain how the step Betta Fish Culture for beginner. Come see the step in the following video. First step, container preparation and supporting plants.
The container needed is an aquarium with a minimum size of 30 cm. Then the container must also be included in supporting plants, namely kapu-kapu or water hyacinth, which serve to support the bubble, which will later be used for placement of fish eggs.
Second step, insert the stud in container for 1 day.
Insert the male betta fish first into the spawning container for 1 day to get used to it. Feed a lot so that the male betta fish is fed. Also feed the female betta fish fed because when the spawning process, the fish do not eat anything.
Third step, introduce with female.
Before placing a female betta fish in a spawning container, separate it in a different glass container to make this fish know each other. Let the male betta fish see the female hiki.
Fourth step, betta fish spawning process.
The male hiki is ready to mate. Then he will take out the foam around the floating plants that you enter. After enough foam, then the female betta fish can be mixed into the spawning container.
Fifth step, separating female.
The spawning process is marked by the twisting of male betta fish on the body of the female betta fish. After the twisting for a while, the female.
Sixth step, separating the male.
The female breeder do not remove the eggs again. Then immediately remove them from the spawning container so that the eggs are not eaten by female.
And the last step, nursing betta fish or burayak.
Move the burayak to a larger container and feed it with water less. Replace water gradually when it looks cloudy. Insert the aerator and adjust the oxygen level to keep the intermediate level, does not run out of oxygen.
Thanks for watching video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to smell